Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the ka row of Katakana. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. First one, ka. Pronounce ka. Example word, camera. Camera means camera. Camera. Example sentence, camera de shashin wo torimasu. Camera de shashin wo torimasu. Meaning, I take photos with a camera. Camera de shashin wo torimasu. Second one, ki. Ki. Example word, kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. Kiwi. Example sentence, kiwi ga suki desu. Kiwi ga suki desu. I like kiwi. Kiwi ga suki desu. Next we have ku. Ku. Example word, cookie. Cookie means cookie. Example sentence, cookie o tabetai desu. Cookie o tabetai desu. I want to eat cookie. Cookie o tabetai desu. Next one, ke. Ke. Example word, keiki. Keiki means cake. Example sentence, keiki wa oishii desu. Keiki wa oishii desu. Meaning, the cake is delicious. Keiki wa oishii desu. Next we have ko. Ko. Example word, cola. Cola meaning cola. Let's see the example sentence. Cola o nomimasu. Cola o nomimasu. I drink cola. Cola o nomimasu. That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we will learn the sa row of Katakana. Sa, she, su, se, so. See you in the next lesson. Matane.